Hi, good day. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This video is a demonstration about installation of Node.js in your computer. This is a challenge created by our professor, Ma'am Anafe. So, let's do it. So first, we have to browse in the Google for the application of the Node.js. Node.js.org/n. Then download this recommended for most user for Windows. And we have to wait until the downloading process is done. So after downloading, we have to go to the folder and install the node the GS application, and we have to accept the term and license agreement. So after reading this license, agree, accept, then next, and next, and NPA package manager, then select next, and then next, then install. After installing, you need to restart your computer. So I'm done restarting my computer. Then after we install Node.js and already restart our computer, then we have to go to the command prompt and then type node dash dash version, then enter. We can now see the version of the node that we installed. So for our next task for the challenge, we have to create a folder called midterm exam. So first we have to set the directory into desktop, so we can see it when we are done creating the folder which name midterm exam. So we have to type the command cd and copy the location of the desktop. So here it goes, user slash hp slash desktop, and then I click enter. So we are already in the desktop directory. So we can now create the folder name midterm exam by typing the code mkdir to create a folder. So midterm dash exam. So as we can see, we created a midterm exam folder in the desktop. So we are now done in our first task. So a second task is we have to create a node name server inside the folder midterm exam. So for your information, cd command is choosing for your current directory. So if you want to choose the midterm exam directory, you can choose it by tracing it to your directory. Like for example, like this user slash hp slash desktop slash midterm exam, or we can also type the command cd then the midterm exam, because as we can see we are in the desktop directory. So if we type the cd midterm exam, we will go to the midterm exam directory. So that is our current directory. So our next task is create a node name server. So type the command touch then the name of node server .gs. So we show an error. It says touch is not recognized and an external command operable program or batch file. So for this problem, we have to search on the net to resolve this problem. So I already searched on the net and I see already the how to resolve this problem. So I want to use the directory for this in C. So type cd and C for choosing the directory. Then type npm and we are going to install the touch command line. So npm install touch dash cli then cli dash g, then select enter. So as we can see, we are already added these two package from our integrator. So we are now done installing the touch command. So going back, we have to create a node name server. So to copy this command. So type cd for current directory and paste. So access is denied because we include touch server.js. So mali siya. So we have to retype again with the exam. So we are now in the midterm exam directory. So we can create the node name server. So touch command type the command touch server, the name of the node.js. So then enter. We are successfully creating the node name server, touching server.js. So we have to see on our midterm exam folder. So there it is, the server, the JSON file server. Next is we have to initialize our npm init, then enter, then insert the package name, just enter. My shag package name, so just leave it. Enter, then version, it shows the version, the description. This is my midterm exam, so we have to type it there, the description. This is my midterm dash exam. Then enter. Then entry point, just leave it, enter. Test command, enter. Git repository, enter. Keywords, just leave it, enter. Then enter. And enter. Then is this okay? The command line interface asking a question if the information above is okay. Name, the term, the version, the information. So we are going to type yes. So our next task is installing Express. So we have to type the command npm, then install Express. And we have to wait until it's done installing. As we can see, we are successfully installing the Express. So let's see if we created the file. So there it goes, node modules package and the package JSON file. So and we have to select the server, which is a JSON node. Then we have to type the command there, write the codes here, and then save it. So I already have code, then I just paste it there, and there it is. After we save it, we have to go back to the command prompt, and we have to install node mount. So npm install um, dash g, then node mount, then enter. So the next thing that we are going to do is to install Postman. So just go to the postman.com/downloads. Um, this one, download Postman, try Postman for free. Let's just try the web version of the Postman. We have to sign up, and it's for free. Just type your email, username, and password. So let's just sign up with our email, then check and accept the agreement, and just click the accept. So here we have to type our information. What's your name? So I type Winhart. Which of these roles is closely to yours? So so I just click other, and please enter your rule. So I'm a student, so student. So how do you plan to use Postman? So API documentation. So then continue. There the web asked collaboration with team, so I just click the continue without a team because I don't have any team. So continue without a team. And there just click the create new, start with something new, create new. So click the create new. So I'll just X this and skip for now. Let's just skip it. So for your information, an API is actually a link that has three parts. First is the endpoint, next would be the parameter, and lastly would be the authentication key. So let's search open weather open weather map open weather that openweathermap.org. So let's just try to and let's sign in with our emails, using our emails. So click the sign in. Just type the click the create an account because I don't have an account yet. So here, create a new account, your username, your email, and password. After signing up, you have just check the boxes below. So check I'm not a robot, then create account. Create account. Just click this button. The website asked if how order you use your API. So we just have to cancel it or X this. API case. So in here we can generate our own key here, like for example there we can create our own key, like for example API k1. So let's generate it. It generate our key. So let's check click on the API and check on the API documentation. In there, let's check that API has an endpoint and how is the API is to be used. So when we say endpoint, you can identify it because it usually the first part of the API that ends with question mark. So that is the endpoint. After pasting it, it generate it automatically quickly the put you the which mean the city name. Let's just try to value Philippines. So there we can see the parameter. So we have to copy this k, copy this one, and then paste it there. Then after that we can now send it, and it actually generate a JSON code format.
Don't forget that. So if we are going to run it when that's all. That's our